Welcome to IP Service and IT tips and troubleshooting. Today I am showing how to Gmail account recover in 2025. If your Gmail account password is forget, please see full video for recover your Gmail account. This time you can see I type Gmail account password but it's wrong. I forget the Gmail account password. Now we can see how to recover the Gmail account. First of all, click forget password. Here are three options. Tap yes, go to your notification on tablet or get a verification code on recover mobile number. Then click get a verification code. Now your verification code sent to your mobile number, registered mobile number, 6-digit code from Google. This time my verification code is 5943 and 43. Now click next. Yes, here at this time now we are situated at Gmail verification code. You must be set your Gmail recovery account or receive a recovery code. This time my recovery code sent my recovery email address. Yes, I got my recovery verification code from Google. Here the code. Now I copy the verification code and go back my recovery option, then press and next. Yes, you can update your password if you forget it. This time I update my password, then click update password. Here the type your update password. You remember your password must be at upper letter, lower letter, and a special character and number, at least 8 character. Then click save and since save, look your Gmail account, all are saved, save mode, then continue to Gmail. Yeah, now we recover my Gmail account this way. Please watch full video, like, comment, share. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe us. Thank you.